Sweet. Okay, shot what, 11? Same weight, same pin angle, same sling length. Propped the ball higher and closed the gap half a turn. And then we're gonna throw that with the same settings and see what the difference is. 3, 2, 1. High. Good shot. Coming down. Hit. Ooh, that was longer. And right on target. High. Good shot. Coming down. Hit. Ooh. Yeah, that was it. Same everything, different ball. In 3, 2, 1. Hit. Same everything, different ball. In 3, 2, 1. Hit. Same everything, different ball. In 3, 2, 1. Wild. Well, the rangefinder says it's 118 yards, but that kind of didn't really count because it bounced out and there's no way I'm going to be able to find the impact probably. But we can go look at this one. This ditch has some give to it that we might even be able to find. Yeah, it's pretty soft. That might even be where it hit. I don't see any big sign anywhere. Let's see what we're at. 109 yard, 108.9. All right.